order to update the navigation charts and the licenses, go ahead and open Navi Planner. Here, you can select charts from the menu. Catalogue. If you find that this particular drop-down menu is currently inactive, exactly like the one shown here in this example, you will see that you can't click it at this point in time. So the only thing you need to do is wait for a few moments. Wait until it connects. Select the NC Catalogue here. It loads. That's it. There, it's loaded. I can say right away that, knowing full well that you have a new update. Suppose for a moment that you find yourself in a situation where you need to update the licenses and then proceed to update the charts. In every single instance, standard procedure is that you must first update the catalog, and only after that is complete should you move on to update the licenses if the situation requires it. And after the license, once you have received and installed the license, this happens automatically. And then you click Update Charts. Now, why exactly does it happen in this specific order? Because if you go ahead and update the entire catalog and maintain it, and then run the update card process after receiving new licenses, your charts will not be updated. After receiving the license, you will still need to do update card anyway. And if you do update card for the licenses, or licenses update card, and then update the catalog afterwards, that's completely incorrect. The catalog will be updated, and according to this catalog, you will have both the licenses and the charts, but the chart updates will be outdated. That's why you should first update the catalog, then the licenses, and only after that the updates themselves. If you don't need to update the licenses, then you just update the catalog and the updates. If it is displayed on your screen, let's go ahead and select the root directory accordingly. Well, it seems that the laser and export settings are actually clear enough. And if, for example, you are ordering a license, and if you see displayed a useful life hack that is currently not installed, let me find something like that now. As I recall, something like that appears in root. Such things do occur. Not licensed, but sometimes it says licensed, not installed. If you happen to see the message, license is not installed, it means you need to select the specific chart you want to install. This means that although you have the license for it, it is not currently installed. And just click Dataset. Next, and that's it. So the license exists, it's just not installed. A request will be sent. A full license. It is manufactured, is ordered, and only just as your current temporary certificate is approaching its final expiration date, that is the exact moment when you will be eligible to transition over and receive your official permanent full license. Additionally, there is no need for you to worry about doing this every single week or even every month, because doing it more often simply won't change the outcome or improve your results in any significant way. You have successfully obtained the license, and it is now clearly displayed in this certificate. Do it in February. We We didn't even take off a week.